Welcome to Study Loop.
This problem focuses on the concept of Hess's law, which tells us that we can find the energy of an overall reaction by comparing the energy of the reactants and the products. And specifically in this problem, we're talking about Hess's law and energy and specifically the enthalpy of the formation of magnesium chloride. So to find the formation of magnesium chloride, we would have to first write out the whole reaction. So it would look like this. We have magnesium solid plus 1/2 of diatomic chlorine, which is gaseous, and we'll be forming solid magnesium chloride. Now Hess's law says that we can take the reactants minus the products. So the enthalpy of formation, which we denote by delta H naught F, will be equal to this, and these are all values that are tabulated, so I didn't have to do any calculations for them, they're just known. So we would get 148 plus 738 plus 243 divided by 2 plus negative 349 plus 783.5. And when we get the enthalpy of formation, we'll get that our enthalpy is negative 125 kilojoules. Now for part B, it's asking us, well, what does this negative number mean? What is this telling us about the energy of our reaction? So when delta H naught F, our enthalpy, is negative, that means we have an exothermic reaction. So heat was released when we made our product. So what that means is that negative values in energy are actually favorable. So the formation of magnesium chloride is more energetically favorable than just magnesium chloride as the reactants by themselves. And now finally, we have to find the enthalpy of magnesium bounded to diatomic chlorine. So now we have to introduce another chlorine atom. So first we write out the reaction. We'll have 2 magnesium chlorides that are solid. We'll produce magnesium bound to diatomic chlorine, and we'll have an excess or leftover magnesium solid. So again, we can use Hess's law, and we'll get delta H, our enthalpy, is equal to negative 641.6 minus 2 times negative 125. And when we calculate that, our enthalpy for this formation of magnesium is negative 392 kilojoules. So I hope that this problem helped you understand how we can use Hess's law to find the enthalpy of formation for 2 different reactions, and then hopefully introduced you to how we can analyze the value of delta H.